Alright, we will share with you brake pads. As we know, there are different pads we can find in the market. There is organic brake pads, semi-metallic brake pads, and ceramic compounds brake pads. Masuma brake pads is made of ceramic formula. Okay, each type of these brake pads has its advantage and disadvantage. For example, organic brake pads and metal brake pads has a higher heat range and the cheaper price, but disadvantage is it wears rotors and dusty on wheels. Of course, the brake pads for ceramic, the price a little bit higher, okay? So our brake pads, the materials is made of ceramic fibers and stopping powers. And you can see here, there is different shapes, different size, and different colors. But according to the OE design, so normally it's gray and brown, okay, brown colors. So let's see in details. As we can see, there is a 4 pieces brake pad in one box and still have the brake oil. Okay, this is the front side. It's the friction materials with the ceramic formula. Let's see the back side. Back side is a silencer to ensure when you're driving there is a very low noise. Okay, and here is our logo, Masuma brand, and here is the model number. Everyone wants to use best quality and new technology products. The technology increase the quality to very low dust and reduce the noise and protect the wear rotors to protect the brake disc. So the maintenance cost will be lower than metal or organic brake pads. And this is the ceramic products, the brake pad we recommend to you, and then you will feel very good experience when you drive in a car. If you want to know more about Masuma products like brake pads, brake disc, or brake hose, brake shoes, then you can contact ourselves for further information.